waking up to the sound of water, surrounded by peace and nature. Your own vineyard estate, a place that feels less like California and more like Tuscany. Every arch, every line crafted to stand the test of time. Step through these columns and into something greater than a home. Open interiors, soaring arches, a kitchen designed for both beauty and function, a private wine cellar, because luxury isn't just seen, it's savored. Golden sunsets over vineyards, with Folsom Lake on the horizon, a private resort where every evening becomes extraordinary. This is more than luxury. This is sanctuary. 9688 Clos Du Lac. This isn't just a home. This is generational. This is your legacy. Tuscan soul, Loomis soil.